Hey, what's up, guys? We're gonna be heading to the beach today. Wha-bam! Be getting that nicer complexion, you know. Trying to get it a little darker, you know. Looking a little pale. Seriously, it's gonna be awesome, and we're gonna get tons of vegan tacos. Loki! Come on, Lokes! Lokes! Oh my gosh. Is it alive? Oh, I don't think it is. Loki! Loki! These cats, man. These cats are killers, bro. Gotta get a broom. Dust, man. Now let's get on our way. I think we're ready to bounce. We made it to the beach. We have finally arrived at destination location. And we're gonna chow down on some burritos and tacos right now. Bon appetit. We got a bean cheese burrito, cilantro, got some onion in there. Thing's fire. Sweet tea from McDonald's. It's the second come up. I can barely even see right now. I'm at Doheny. This is where the Beach Boys used to sing their songs about this beach a lot in their songs. It's nice. This is their Del Taco Beyond Del Taco. We're gonna try it out. We're gonna see how good it is. What better than have it at a beach? Tacos, Southern California. It's hard to beat. Especially when you're trying to look for good vegan options or vegetarian options. It is pretty promising. I've had this quite a few times. Okay, this stuff is fire. We're gonna take a bite. We're gonna send it. Just making sure the coast was clear. I didn't want anybody taking my taco, you know. I was fire, dude. I was just straight good. Just straight up annihilated. After chowing down on some Del Taco and visiting both Capistrano Beach and Doheny State Beach, you can see people out and about on this amazing day along the coastline here in Orange County. As I face the camera northwards onto Dana Point, I slowly rotate to give a better perspective of where I am at, as we now face southwards towards San Clemente and beyond. After spending some time at the beach, and as the train passed by, my next destination was to Dana Point's Harbor Conservation Park. As I trekked along the dusty trails here in the city, you're able to get incredible views overlooking the harbor in much of Doheny and Capistrano Beach. Today was a particularly smoggy day, so I couldn't see further down the coastline, out to places like San Clemente, but it was gorgeous nonetheless. As I journey across Harbor Point Conservation Park, you can see I am but 15 or so feet from the edge of the cliff face here, and this is a great spot to take a picture overlooking the vast Pacific Ocean, and here I am being a bit of a doofus.
Jesus Christ, that's Jason Bourne.
A few moments later.
After capturing some footage looking south along Harbor Point Park, I then walked to the other side of Dana Point at Dana Point's Conservation Area/Nature Preserve, with amazing views facing north along Strands and Salt Creek beaches and South Laguna beyond. It is yet another great place to admire the scenery and maybe goof around just a little bit.
The fuck is that? Shit!
With all jokes aside, as I close out here, I hope you guys enjoy the footage at Dana Point along Orange County's coastline here in Southern California. I hope all of you can come and visit this little corner of Earth I currently reside in. And as always, God bless.